Good Thursday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's cruise comment video. I got one for you guys today that it will leave you scratching. You're either going to laugh because you're like, my God, how can somebody be so dense? Perhaps you'll be scratching your head going, what? Why would you write this? I mean, it's really all about coffee, and I don't know how they got it so wrong. So you walk up to the Java Blue Cafe on board a Carnival cruise ship. You order yourself a coffee. Now, I'm going to assume that you have some idea, at least, of what you are ordering, because when they make it, they give it to you, you taste it, and you say, this is made wrong. You didn't make this correctly. It tastes like you just added water to an espresso. And then you go and you write in a comment to complain about said coffee, only to find out that, I don't know, that's exactly how it's made. But you guys take a look to the comment. This is directly from John Heel, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador. He's going to read the comment, and then we'll talk about it afterwards.
Here's one. Not long off the Carnival Venezia, and I feel/know more and more people are using seating there at the coffee Java place to hang out for hours rather than using it, yes, as a cafe. She's talking about Carnival Venezia that has a beautiful coffee shop on Lido Deck, one of my favorites. It's fabulous. And she's saying people are just sitting there and taking up the seats. Anyway, also train the coffee girls to do a better job. I just asked for an Americano and it tasted to me as an espresso, or she's written espresso, topped up with hot water. I asked for an Americano and it tasted to me as an espresso topped up with hot water. Now, I'm not a coffee aficionado, but isn't an Americano an espresso and hot water? Anyway, I think I'll stick to tea. Cheers.
Now, I've heard some real horror stories about cruise lines and cruise ships and things that happen on board cruise ships, but I'm just trying to imagine this in my head that I walk up to the Java Blue coffee shop, and on these particular cruise ships that she was talking about, the coffee shop, of course, is up on the Lido deck, so it's got an outside seating area, and people got their coffee and they sat down in the cafe chairs and they were drinking their coffee, enjoying their cruise, and well, I guess I don't know. The crew members are supposed to run them off. I mean, it's not like they were chair hogging, putting their stuff and leaving. They're physically sitting in these chairs, enjoying their cruise. But I guess she couldn't find a chair, so the crew should have run those people off. I'm not. Is that really what she's asking? And then to go up and order an Americano, taste your Americano, say, my God, this tastes like nothing more than espresso with hot water added to it, and then write in a comment about that. Now, just like John, I'm not a coffee aficionado. I don't drink coffee. I asked Tiffany. Tiffany looked it up just to double check to make sure that we both weren't absolutely insane. And yeah, an Americano is an espresso with hot water. So she ordered an Americano, got an Americano espresso with additional hot water in it, and then is complaining that it tastes like an espresso with hot water in it. My coffee fans out there are big coffee drinkers. Can y'all make that make sense for me? Did she not get exactly what she wanted? Did she not get exactly what she ordered? Because to me, it's either completely laughable that you're complaining about exactly what you ordered is exactly what you got, or maybe you're scratching your head going, I don't know. I don't get where the complaint is here. sounds like you should be a satisfied customer. You guys let me know in the comments below. What could have possibly been wrong with this Americano that she said it tastes like espresso and hot water, when apparently that's the exact recipe to make an Americano? You guys let me know. And that is going to be our video for today. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.